Class 1 EVS. Okay, let's start now. So we have started a chapter. Okay, we have finished the half chapter. Okay, what was the chapter? I think staying clean. Okay, yes, taking care of my body. Taking care of my body. We have started. We have finished till here, last day. Okay, tick the good habit and cross the bad ones. Okay, Ravi cleans behind his ears while bathing is a good habit. Adil picks nose, bad habit. Shonu washes his hand properly before and after meal, right, good habit. This one we have done last day. So today we'll start from this. So write the date 22/5. Fill in the blanks. We should wear dash clothes. We should wear clean or dirty clothes. We should wear clean. Right, CLEAN, clean clothes. I drink plenty of dash water, no cold drinks. Water. Drinking water is a good habit, and you should drink water, plenty of water. I eat food that keeps me healthy and helps me grow. Strong or weak? Strong. 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 Clear? Clean, water, and strong. Do's and don'ts to keep my body neat and clean. Some do's, something which we should do and something which we should not do. Now, let us study. Let us read this one. Never rub your nose. Okay, you should never rub your eyes. Sorry, not nose. Never rub your eyes. Never rub your eyes. See, you should not rub your eyes. Brush your teeth twice a day. You have to brush your teeth twice a day. Good habit. And this is, you should not do. Cross. Watch television for a safe distance. Means a long distance. You should watch television from a good distance. Right. Do not put anything inside your nose or ears. Yes, this is wrong. Do not put anything inside your nose or ears. Okay. You should not put anything in your nose or ears. Always wear neat and clean clothes. Always wear neat and clean clothes. Always wear neat and clean clothes. Right, good habit. So these things are good and this too is wrong. Okay. Do not put anything inside your nose or ears. Okay. You should not put anything in your nose or ears. And this is right thing. Okay. You should do not put anything inside your nose or ears. And never rub your eyes. We should not rub our eyes. Okay. It is not good to rub our eyes and we should not put anything inside our nose. Brush your teeth twice, watch a television from a distance and wear clean clothes is good. Now, tick what you do daily. Get my nails trimmed. Yes. Tick what you do daily. Take a bath. You take a bath daily. Tick mark. Wear neat clothes. You wear neat clothes daily. Get my nails trimmed. Okay, this one you don't do daily, you do weekly, isn't it? Your nails trim you do weekly. So, tick what you do daily. This too you do daily. You wear neat clothes and take bath daily. So, this one you don't do. Read and enjoy. Teeth shining bright. Are your teeth clean and white? Do you brush them every morning? Do you brush them every night? See, 2 times brushing, morning and night. Okay. Then only your teeth will shine bright as clean and white. Okay. Now, healthy. Being well in a good physics and mental condition, exercise, an activity that you do to stay healthy. Okay. Now, let's turn the page and we'll do exercise. Okay. Let's do the exercise. Now, see. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Now, see. I dash my nails every week. I cut. Every week you cut your nails. I wear dash clothes. I wear clean clothes. Okay. I take a dash using soap. I take a bath. Dash is important for giving rest to the body. Sleep. Okay. This one you can do by yourself. Name the things. Write true and false. We must wear dirty clothes. False. You must wear dirty clothes. False. Healthy food makes us. Oh, right here. Let's write here. False. Healthy food makes us strong. Healthy food makes us strong. True. We must drink clean water. True. Exercise make us sick. False. Exercise make us sick. We need to take rest every day. True. Now, this question answers, I'll give you the answers, you will write. Okay, let us discuss now. What do we use to trim our nails? We use nail cutters to trim our nails. What should we do before and after every meal? We should wash our hand before and after every meal. Why do we exercise? We exercise to stay fit and strong, isn't it? Stay strong and fit, isn't it? Let's see once. We exercise to stay strong and fit. Yes, strong and fit. List 2 activities that you do daily. Okay, what you do daily? Say, I play every day and you can say you water the plant every day. Okay, any 2 activities that you do every day. Okay, clear? 1, 2, 3, 4. These answers I will give you. Okay. We have finished the chapter. Next day we will start a new chapter. Okay. Now, you will write the question answers and you will learn the question answers. I will give you the question answers. This one you do by yourself and this one name the things: brush, toothbrush, towel, comb and soap. Write the names. Okay, brush, toothbrush, towel, comb, soap. Okay, now this one we have finished. So this chapter we have finished. Next day we'll start a new chapter. Okay, next day we'll start my family. Okay, let's start my family. Okay, my family. Let me see how much this is. Last chapter of our syllabus, I think. My family, my family. Okay, next day we'll do. Okay, for today this much. Okay, next day we'll do my family. So for today this much. Thank you.